finding the reciprocal of minus 11 over 12 raised to the power of 2, which is part 4 of question 4 from the exercise 5.1 of the chapter 5 called Exponents of the class 7 Cambridge Mathematics textbook called Mathsma 7. Click the like button below if you understood this lecture and share this video with your friends, as your friends might get benefited from this lecture too. Subscribe my channel if you are getting any use out of my lectures. Feel free to comment below or email me at anatomy.sarah@gmail.com any of your confusions related to this lecture. Thanks a lot for your attention and see you in another lecture. Take care.